What's happening, everyone? I'm Angie. Thanks for stopping in. Today I want to share with you some plush that I picked up over the weekend, but I found a really cool BOLO plush that I had never seen before, and I think you need to know about. So if you ever run across it, you can pick it up too. So let's get right into it. If you're new here, again, I'm Angie. This is Angie Resells. I am a part-time eBay seller. I have been on eBay for over 20 years. I pick stuff up at thrift stores and yard sales and the bins, and I flip it on eBay to help support my family and get out of debt. So thanks for being here. Okay, so let's talk about some of the plush that I got, and then I'm going to share with you a big box of plush that I got with a really special brand, and I want to show you some comps. So the first little guy that I picked up, look at this cute bunny, and his batteries were dying, but he actually hops. What? Stop it. He is so cute. He is missing his tag. No, he isn't. He is an ink toy. And IMC toys? I don't know. But I never seen him, but oh my gosh, any little animated plush like this is great. Definitely pick that up. Then look at the baby. Oh my goodness. So cute. This is a hands-on Gantz. You can see right there. It says get your hands on a Gantz. I'm having trouble with, there we go. He is so soft and big. I love him. So perfect. Then the next one I got was this big guy. Look how cute. I do really well with little puppy plush. He is he a Kelly toy? Let me see. Yep, he's Kelly toy. But what is he? I'm terrible. Is he he's not a Rottweiler, is he? Maybe he is. Too cute to pass up. Oh, and so far I spent 50 cents a piece for these. And look at this rhino. So cute. He's actually at Kohl's Care, so he must be on a show. But I'm just not sure, or a book, but I'm not sure which one. I'll look him up, but super cute. I've actually never seen this one. And my daughter loves rhinos. I'm surprised because we see rhinos all the time. And I bought him a woolly mammoth. He is a Webkins, but look how cute. Even if he doesn't have, you know, the tag to play on the website, but I think someone will love him. Even a teacher to have in her room to study, you know, to have something like this on a shelf or something is super cute. And then finally, I want to show you, I got a whole box of a new type of plush that I had never seen before, and they are mostly plush dolls. And they are called Annalee. I had never heard of Annalee before, and I saw a lot of plush, but evidently each one of these plush dolls are hand painted in their faces. Look how cute that is. So they're each individually hand painted. This is a Mrs. Claus. Pretty cool. They stand up. They have these attached plates on them. And I got this Mrs. Claus, I got this Santa, and let's add up how many we have, because I paid $10 for this giant box of these guys. He is a Santa with a candy cane. I think, look at these little slippers he has on. And you can see his face all hand painted. Really super nice. And then there was this big mouse. Look at him. And it's just, there's a lot of details in these that this one has a little bit of wear on the package, but these are, a lot of them I think are from early 2000s or the 90s. Like this one says from 99. Then there's this other Santa, and he stands up. You can see his little thing on the bottom. But the tags look like this, and this guy is from 2002. Okay, so that is 4 of them so far. I'm trying to keep track because I don't have any idea how many I have. Then we have a green Santa. Look at this crazy long hat, and you can see his face. And it looks like his package is supposed to be up here, but I will fix them up to make sure that they look their best before we put them on there. this guy, look at him. He is an advent calendar, and he even has, look at this cute little dude. This little guy, he moves around from day to day. He's the little elf. And then look at the Santa's face. It's really nice. This one I happened to look up. Let me see. Advent. Here you go. Let me share my screen. $35, $29, $37. Somebody did a low price of $20. So, you know, that's not bad at all. And I think that is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This guy. He has a big bag. You can see. Oh, and look at the, I mean, even like the little details are really nice. So that's 7. Then I have a reindeer one. And they all stand, which is great. And then another little mouse. That's 8. Then look at this guy. This is 10-inch all wrap-up kitties. This one still has a little tag on it. Oops. But 3 cats. Pretty cute. They get little hand-painted feet. Then I have a couple more. So that was 9. This one, it's in its whiskers. It's a cute little kitty. Has a big bell. And then this little guy, tiny little mouse, and he's on a string, so I guess you can hang him from somewhere. And then finally I have this guy. He is a little tree topper or something, or goes on the tree. He's like a little elf. So that's 13 of them, and I paid $10 for all of them, so less than $1 a piece. I had never heard of them. Somebody there was like, I can't believe I'm gonna sell these for that price. And so I thought, let's take a look and see what some of them have sold for. Now, none of mine are these really big ones, but if you ever find one of these that are 30 inches or bigger, goodness, grab them as soon as you can. This guy sold best offer. They were asking $150. Let's make this bigger so we can all see it better. There we go. This one here, the Santa Mrs. Claus from 1987, sold for $150. These two, $63. A Santa Mrs. Claus, 30 inches, $100. And you saw my advent calendar, that one's selling for about $30. And then there's lots of them too. People are doing little lots. This lot of 7 sold for $8, or they took a best offer from their $85 offer. But there's just a lot. This is when you don't do auctions on stuff like this, because if someone's not looking right at the time, you're gonna end up selling it for a super low price. That's not good. Here's, like I said, this one's, oh, here's one, an 18-inch one for $65, and mine are mostly 18 inches. But even these ones that are my size, $63. Look how cute this one. A summertime one. Let's see. Look at how cool he is. That one's super unique. But you get the idea. I mean, these are definitely selling for a great profit. I had actually never ever heard of them. So, oh, and here, look at here. Here's my advent calendar that I had, and somebody here sold it for $69.50 with free shipping, and that's the sold price. So that's great. So I paid $13, and I should make an amazing profit on these. So definitely be on the lookout for those. And In general, plush does really, really well for me, but plush is long tail, so you're gonna sit on it longer than a lot of things. I'm hoping that because these are Christmas and Christmas is right around the corner, I can get these listed this week and hopefully sell quite a few of them now because it's like a really good season. But don't let, because they're Christmas, dissuade you from listing them, even if you're looking at this and seeing this in February or March or April. Plush or Christmas items sell all year long. There are people who are collectors who are looking for things off season, and they will oftentimes pay a premium to get something that they're really looking for in their collection or they find really interesting in the off season. So don't not list them because they're a Christmas item. Okay, that's it today. I just wanted to share with you a cool BOLO that I had never heard of. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or want to chat about plush or anything else for that matter, just let me know or leave a comment below. Hey, if you like this content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel. I'm a little baby channel, so any comments, suggestions, thumbs up, positive feedback at all always is helpful. And I guess if you really don't like it, you could give me a thumbs down. That helps too. So I've been told. So anyways, have a great day. Thanks everyone. Bye.